video. Welcome to Col-our. Today we are going to learn how to draw an orange and how to paint a realistic orange using acrylics. Now, what are you waiting for? Go grab all your art materials and let's jump right in. To draw an orange, draw a circle on a piece of paper with your pencil. Make a small curve on the top of the orange. Now draw a thin stem for the orange. Let's draw some petals. To draw a leaf, make an oval and a small protrusion. Now erase all the marking lines. Now with some bends, draw a realistic leaf. Let's draw two more leaves on other side. There you go. Your orange is completed. Take a small canvas sheet or canvas board. Fill any base color acrylic paint evenly using a flat brush. Here I am using gradient green with white. Let it dry. Now take your outline drawing and decide the position of the orange. You can use a tracing sheet or carbon paper for tracing. Here I am using yellow carbon paper. Fix the carbon paper